thing your Vietnamese aunties would say.
You didn't see me? No, I ain't see. I just pulled. I ain't see nothing. I was coming straight across the street.
But then I realized it. But the people that are serious about it, they're like, they kind of like mostly regard themselves as free divers. Sure. But we would go to the Bahamas, and you know, you're like, the deepest you go is 8 feet, right? And did all that, but you just.
Does it become a point where like you got to get to the depths to get where the bigger
customer and arrange a drop-off location? Additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
Keyword, the new keyword for Gator National tickets, and if you missed it, driver.
I agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell out who I needed.
Going to bed at 1 and getting up at 8 ain't so bad.
No. I went to bed at mother 5225927XJ. Ah, me.
I'm gonna not go to
Wow.
How could I modify these words? And then you have lists of prefixes and suffixes in English, and then you just start pairing them up.
For example, take the root name. From there you can get nameling, namely, rename, name spot, name pro name. But okay.
Action. Use SENPE kinesin 7 on their free kinetic cord to aid in orientation. The bi-oriented chromosomes then move to a central point between the spindle poles in a process known as chromosome congression. Expression involves bidirectional oscillations of chromosomes, with one set of kinetochore microtubules.
These beats are the purest. Roll it, roll it, roll it.
I was like, is the armor gonna stab him? Like, I was totally worried that she was gonna heat it up and then just like, bam, stab him and take the saber.
It could have happened.
Yeah, and then he puts the saber in, like, there were so many close-up shots of her sharpening the saber and like heating it up.
It's like Chekhov's gun.
Yeah, exactly. I was really worried. And
Jesus. Now look where you're going, you stupid idiot.
And we see it be a problem.
He sat high upon the immensely ancient seat of Aegon the Conqueror, an ironwork monstrosity of spikes and jagged edges and grotesquely twisted metal. It was, as Robert had warned him, a hellishly uncomfortable chair. And
to help avoid eye injury and contamination, do not touch the bottle tip to your eye or other surfaces. Wait 15 minutes after use before inserting contact lenses. The most common side effect is a temporary burning sensation. Ask your eye care professional about Restasis. Now to check out these.
Fucking bitch.
Second left onto Rock Quarry Road.
What the fuck was that guy doing? There's two lanes. Oh, stupid.
You don't even see the ground. You don't, in some places you can't even see the tracks. You just see it's a sea of ransacked empty cardboard boxes. Whoa, Jesus! You could look forward when you drive, thank you. Nice hit and run, bitch. Yeah, I'm all right. I'm okay. Wow. That woman didn't even stop. I sure hope the footage got her license plate.
Oh, Jesus!